Hi, so today I want to make a nice video to support gentle flow in the body, bringing a sense of relaxation to the body. So the idea of this exercise is trying to get out of your way and let the exercise just flow through you. So the more you can relax into it, the better it will be. So let's start by getting a nice stance with your feet. Let them be about shoulder width apart, based on the big toes, a little bit wider than you would imagine. And then let the knees bend. Let the spine be nice and long. And curl your arms around right here at the level of the waist as if you're holding a large object. And we're going to do a little twisting. So I'm going to invite you to move your hips. So we're going to turn to your left. So you're going to turn your hips. And now we're going to inhale. We're going to lift our hands as if we're pulling energy up through the body like a tree sends sap all the way up to the top. And we'll slowly twist back to the center and send that energy down into the crown. And now we're going to release any tension down the side as we exhale. All the way down into the earth. Curling the hands once again. Let's turn the hips, this time to the right. Inhale, slowly lift the hands up. All the way towards the crown. Turn back to the center. Exhale, release any tension and let it float down each side of the body, down to the earth. Curl the hands. Turn the hips to the left. Inhale. Bringing energy up from the earth to the top of the head. A little pause here and then exhale. So we're going to pause at the beginning and ending of the movement. So we drop down a little pause as we reestablish the arms. Turn the hips. Now let's inhale. Like sap rising up through the tree, or water rising up the tree, all the way to the top of the branches. Little pause and then exhale. Breathing in and out through the nose. Let your tongue rest on the upper palate. Turn the hips to the left. Inhale. Coming back to center, little pause. Exhale through the nose. Smile as you move the energy. See how much you can relax the arms, turning from your center. So you're not turning your shoulders, you're turning your body, which moves the spine, which moves the shoulders, which move the arms. Move the hips back and drop that energy down. Little pause here. Turn. Inhale. Relaxing as much as you can as you do this. Allowing energy just to flow through you. Like a tree just swaying in the breeze. Inhale. Exhale. One more each side. Turning. Inhale. Exhale. Curl the hands, little pause here, then turn the hips. Inhale. Turn the hips back. Little pause, and then exhale. And then imagine holding a ball. And just feel the energy. Get a sense of some energy flowing out through the hands, creating this beautiful ball of light. Place the hands at the navel. Take a few nice deep breaths in and out through the nose. And let's lock that in with 3 rotations in one direction and 3 more in the opposite. Feel free to do that longer than we just did. But that should be a great way to bring some relaxation to your body. I hope you have a great day. Take care.